Mga pinipinilinang at ginawa maligayang pagdating dito sa Singapore. Manatilig na upo at nakabit ng seatbelts. Ang aeroplano ay kinapatan ito. Maaari lamang kunin ang mga gamit kapag ang fasten seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw at nabigyan namin ng pahintulot na bomba. Mag-ingat po sa pagkuha ng mga gamit mula sa overhead storage bins upang maiwasan ang pagkahulog ito sa inyo at sa inyong mga katabi. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, kayo po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Naasahan namin na muli tayong magkita. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Singapore. The time is 55 minutes past the hour of 6 in the evening, and the date today is November 1, 2017. The ground temperature is recorded at 26 degrees centigrade or 78.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. As sudden brake may caution the fall.
787.
Do not remove your items from the overhead bins until the aircraft has come to complete stop. Please check areas around you for items you might leave behind. For more information, you may find our best fares and latest promotions on our website, philippineairlines.com. On behalf of Captain John Nilaga and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. For passengers who need special assistance,